Bonjour. I must ask you a question. What is it that makes the perfect concoction? I thought to myself, what can I do to make my customers love me more? Aha! I will tell you my secret recipe for savings. I like cooking up hot deals on the 2020 Kia Soul LX for only $16,900. A dash of savings, $33.45. Ooh, a pinch of incentive. $2,000 customer cash. Oh, and my favorite, a handful of trade assistance. Up to $1,500 for good measure. These deals are so hot, they're sizzling. Oh, the aroma. And there you have it. You mix it all together and voila.
Setting all that aside, you can get a brand new Kia Soul LX for $269 a month or a Rio S for $249 a month.
And that's my secret recipe. And remember, we will see you at Bulldog Kia.
See dealer for details. Must take delivery by July 6, 2020. Dealer retains rebates and incentive tax, tag, title, and fees ain't included.